This Villager Realty, Lewisburg Office property video is presented by Trish Ruth. Bring your creativity and ideas to restore this house back to its beautiful charm. The first floor features a large living and dining room plus a bonus room that was once a hair salon. Upstairs you'll find 3 large bedrooms and an additional space that would be perfect for an office or a 4th bedroom. Newer roof-efficient gas heat, public water and sewer right in the heart of town. Call Trish at 572-04-8448 to schedule your showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Trish Ruth at 570-275-8440.